Okay, pause for a second. I want you to remember the last time this happened. You were just scrolling, maybe a little bored after work, maybe a bit stressed, and then you see it, that thing. And it's not just anything. Feels like it was made just for you. Your heart does this little skip. A quiet voice in your head whispers, "Why not?" And before the other voice, the reasonable one that pays your bills, can even form a sentence. Click. It's done. You've bought it. Sound terrifyingly familiar? We are solving a personal mystery. A modern detective story happening inside your own mind. We are going to find out who is really pressing your brain's buy now button. Was it you? Or was something else pulling the strings? To find our culprit, we need to understand the scene of the crime. This isn't about willpower. Let's get that out of the way right now. This is about neuroscience, meeting marketing in a dark alley of the internet. Think about an impulse buy in the real world. You see a cool jacket in a store window. To buy it, you have to get off the couch, drive, find parking, walk in, find the rack, try it on, wait in line. That's friction. And friction gives your logical brain time to wake up and say, do I really need this? Online, the button is right there. Buy now. Add to cart. One-click purchase. That gap between I want it and I own it, it's gone, vanished. And in that vacuum, logic disappears. But here's the thing. That button is just the final trigger, the detonator. The real manipulation started long before. It starts with messages designed to hijack your ancient brain. Only 2 left in stock. Sale ends in 59 minutes. 50 people are looking at this. This isn't information. This is a psychological cocktail. It's designed to induce pure FOMO, the fear of missing out. It creates a low-grade panic that literally short-circuits your careful prefrontal cortex thinking. Then comes the herd. 4.8 stars. Influencer approved. Most wish-listed item. We are wired to follow the crowd. It's a survival instinct. If everyone else wants it, it must be safe, good, valuable. This is social proof, and it makes the risky feel safe. And in that perfect storm of urgency and validation, something chemical happens. You get a dopamine hit. A little burst of yes, just for anticipating the reward. Your brain goes, ah, this feels good. Do that again. Shopping stops being a task. It becomes retail therapy. A hit, a fix. So the customer in that moment isn't the logical future planning you. It's a version of you running on emotion, stress, boredom, and craving instant gratification. So, if the emotional you is the one clicking, who set that version of you up? Let's meet puppeteer number 1, the algorithm. Don't think of it as a tool. Think of it as an active hunter. Tracks everything. What you look at for 3 seconds longer. What you put in your cart and abandon. The time of day you always browse. Your location. It uses this to build a profile of your vulnerabilities. Then it serves you a personalized feed. It's not showing you ads. It's showing you temptations crafted just for you. Ever searched for a vacation idea and then your entire internet is beaches and flights? That's the algorithm whispering. Remember this? You wanted this. Here it is. It's building a personalized tunnel with only one exit. The Buy Now button. It makes the final click feel inevitable. But the most powerful puppeteer isn't in the cloud. It's closer to home. Puppeteer number 2 is you. Or rather, the past version of you. Who saved your credit card info for convenience? Past you. Who enabled one-click checkout? Past you. Who stays logged into every shopping app? Past you. You have engineered your own environment for maximum impulsivity. You built the trap. You laid the wires, and now the algorithm just has to gently guide your present self to the switch. Think about that. The convenience we all love is a convenience tax, a premium we pay with our future savings, our future security. The system is designed so that by the time you see the button, 1,000 tiny nudges have already made the decision for you. And this cycle has a destination. It's called the Henry Trap. HNRY stands for high earner, not rich yet. This is what happens when a great salary gets silently dissolved by 1,000 buy now clicks. Every raise just funds a slightly more expensive lifestyle, the upgraded car, the pricier apartment, the premium subscription. You're earning more, but you're building no real wealth. Zero. You feel rich, but your net worth is asleep. You're on a treadmill, spending your future freedom for today's impulse. The Buy Now button isn't just costing you $50 today. It's robbing the wealthy, secure person you could become. Now, here is your power. Knowledge. Now that you see the puppeteers, you can cut the strings. You can rewrite the rules. The goal isn't to never buy anything fun. It's to make sure you are the one making the choice. Your first and most powerful weapon is stupidly simple. The 24-hour rule. When you feel that itch, the dopamine pull, add it to your cart, and then walk away. Close the tab. Wait 24 hours. This single act creates the friction the system worked so hard to remove. It lets the emotional storm pass. It brings your logical brain back to the table. If it's still a brilliant idea tomorrow, it'll be there. Second, audit your convenience. This is a tactical strike. Go into your settings. Turn off one-click buying. Delete saved credit cards and shipping addresses. These aren't annoyances. These are freedom bumps. They give you back that critical moment between desire and action. Finally, ask the real question. Before you even open the app, pause. Ask yourself, am I buying this to solve a problem or to soothe a feeling? Are you bored? Stressed? Anxious? Sad? Separate the transaction from the emotion. When you do that, you take your finger off the puppet's trigger. So, who's really pressing the button? It was a team. The emotional you, the architects of urgency, the algorithm, and past you. But you are the CEO of this messy company. And you have the power to fire the bad influences, promote the logical you, and take back control. If you want to be the author of your financial future, not just a character in someone else's sales script, then you're in the right place.